To request money, log into the Mountain America app and navigate to Send Money with Zelle from the main menu. Select Request. Grant access to your device's contacts. Search for recipients in the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the first name, last name, email address, or U.S. mobile phone number. After sending, requesting, or splitting money with someone, that person will be added to your contact list. You can edit their information if you'd like. Next, enter the total and select the account you want the funds deposited into. Then tap Review. You can add a note to indicate what the request is for, or add any other info you'd like. Notes only appear in Zelle, not in your transaction history or statement. Now tap Request at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations! Your money has been requested using Zelle. Your contacts will just need to accept the request for the money to be deposited to your account.